Surprise! Hi everyone, welcome to the Range Diva. Yes, it's an extra video this week because it's the season and I had something I wanted to tell you about, so I thought I'd just jump on here and share with you a subscription box that has recently come my way. This is going to be an unboxing because I have not seen what's inside, but I was recently contacted on my Instagram by a young woman by the name of Cassandra McClure. She's a makeup artist who has recently been curating a subscription box of clean, non-toxic, green makeup and beauty products. And right now they have, I don't know if it's a special, but they have what's called a December limited edition box, which contains 11 full-size products, and it retails for $50, like $49.99. And then they also have a regular, I guess, mini box, which retails for $29.99. But anyway, I wanted to unbox this and show you what it is because she's really nice. And I will link her Instagram info and all the info about the box below so that you can find her. And it just seemed like something that I thought you might be interested in. So this is the box right here. It's called the Clean Beauty Kit. So let's see what's in this. And I almost forgot that most, if not all of these brands that are going to be featured in this box are women-owned brands. And she said in her note that this box was customized for me. So that's really exciting. I don't think I've ever had anything customized for me before. All right, here we go. So right off the top, there's a card telling you a little bit about the box. And then inside is this beautiful wrapping paper. So it's very festive for the holidays. So let's take this off and let's just see what's here. So inside you can see lots of goodies. And I'm just going to go through each one by one and let you know what they are. Oh, all right. Right on top, from Tessie's Teas, an instant mint tea from Tessie's Teas. Next, oh God, yes, please, Glam Nails. Oh, I cannot wait to try these. We also have, you've got from Good Clean Love, personal lubricants here that are travel size. You can take them on the go, as well as a pH balanced personal wash, again from Good Clean Love. Yeah, this says that it's a gentle cleanser made with over 60% premium aloe. Botanical extracts deodorize and moisturize dry and irritated skin. So you can use this anywhere on the body, apparently. Because, you know. This, I believe, is the mini kit. I don't think this is the full-size kit because I've seen those and the products are full-size. These are definitely like travel size and sample size. This one, handcrafted in Santa Cruz, California. All right, what are you? Just what I needed, seriously. This is a new face oil from, not new, this is a face oil from Nudo Skincare. Brightening oil with vitamin C to tone and moisturize sensitive skin. And I have been in the market for a different face oil, so this is very timely for me. And I cannot wait to give this a try. Let's just quickly. Very little scent, so this is perfect. I've gotten into doing gua sha again, and at night I've just been using plain argan oil to work the stone across my face, but it'll be nice to try something different. Oh, Spirulina Tablets. You guys know I've talked about spirulina before. And this is, you can just swallow them apparently. Let's see. Swallow or chew. You can use them in smoothies, trail mix, or salads. And 3 to 4 tablets is 1 serving. So this is best used for skin and hair health. Helps improve energy, focus, and cuts hunger. And it's great for breakfast, snacks, traveling, blah, blah, blah. So this is definitely a travel size, sample size of self-care, longevity, beauty bits. So that should give you a good idea of the mini kit. And then, as I said, the limited edition kit, you can check that out on their website. I'll link that below, where that has the full size, the 11 full size products in it. But this should give you an idea of the kinds of things that you can expect from this company. And if you're new to green beauty and don't know where to start, this is a great way to sort of expose yourself to a lot of different brands. And honestly, I've been sort of in the green beauty world for 4 or 5 years now, and I have not heard of any of these. So well done, Cassandra. This is really a great curated box. I'm really happy to have had the chance to show it all to you. She did send this to me. Yeah, if it's something that you want to know more about, you can find all the info below. And she said that there is a code, and I believe it's my name. If you use my name, you get an extra gift they throw in. So nice to know that that's available as well. All right, everybody, that's going to wrap it up for today. Thank you so much. This is short and sweet, not long. I'll see you on my regular day on Friday. And until then, I'm wishing you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye.